Hi everyone, I'm Meenakshi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you instant home remedy for cough that is suitable for both kids as well as adults. So let's quickly start. For the first remedy you have to take honey and badam rogan. This is fresh badam rogan I have taken. Now take 1 teaspoon honey and half teaspoon badam rogan. You need to combine them both and mix it with a spoon. So make sure that you mix well. Now have it little by little with your finger. Now let's move on to the second remedy. For this you have to take honey and ginger. Now start peeling off the skin of the ginger. So you have to take just a portion of the ginger only. Now grate that ginger with the help of a grater, or you can use a mixer grinder as well. As you can clearly see that it is grinded well. Now scrape from the sides with the help of a spatula. Now with the help of a spoon, take it out and put it on a strainer. Squeeze out the juice from it. Do it properly. Take out all the juice. Extract all the juice from it and do not throw this leftover ginger. You can use it in your vegetable. I have taken here half teaspoon ginger juice and now add 1 teaspoon honey to it. Mix it well. Mix it properly with the help of a spoon. So now it's ready. You can have it little by little with the help of a spoon or with the finger. You can have it thrice a day and do not eat anything till half an hour after having this. Hope you find this video useful, guys. If you like it, share it with your friends, hit the like button, click on subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular notifications. Till then, take care, bye.